Hey everybody, it's Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars, and today we've got a 2018 Audi R8 V10. Beautiful car. This car has been wrapped in this color. It's got a nice like iridescent sheen to it. Changes a little from a yellowish, like a sunset yellow orange. Very pretty. Goes good with the black accents. Under the wrap, it is Daytona gray pearl. Nice car, clean Carfax. It has brand new tires on it. Pirelli P0s. This car has 27,000 miles. It's an automatic. Very, very pretty. The wheels are in great shape. I have 2 keys for this car. There's one little spot that has damage to the wrap right here. That's it. Otherwise, very nice. But definitely want to point that out so there's no surprises. It does come with the air inflators and all the stuff under the bonnet. This one does have the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's got the black side blades. Go around and go inside. Black Napa leather with the diamond stitching. Very pretty inside here. Take a look at the bolster. Regular wear right there. No tears, no fading. It's real nice. Got the micro suede headliner. Diamond stitch as well. Very pretty. This car does have the heated seats. Climb in here real quick. Let's see here. We have got let's see, get to the mileage here. 27,117 miles. Flip it there and you got your nav again. Steering wheel start stop. You can turn it into dynamic mode just using this drive select switch. Carbon fiber trim. Heated seats. It's got that Bang & Olufsen, like I said, the upgraded sound system. Pretty car. Here's the original color. It's gray, Daytona gray pearl effect. So definitely a little louder with this orange on there, but you know what? It's a supercar, so why not? I think it looks great. Gets a lot of attention. Give us a call, text, email. I will respond quickly to all inquiries. We can ship this to you on an enclosed trailer anywhere in the country. There's no chips, no cracks in the glass. This top is also wrapped black, so this is all wrapped up here as well. Engine bay looks really nice and shiny. Fun car to drive. If you're financing, we can do that deal, no problem. If you bring your own, that's not a problem. If you need financing, we have some options for you. If you want to pay cash, that's great. Most of our deals are cashier's check or wires, not a problem. So hope to hear from you on this one. If you got any questions, reach out to me. Got some records on the Carfax. You can get that free at the website. Hit the like button. Please subscribe to us. We got more stuff like this coming down the pipeline, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.